Hi, welcome to another Cara Co tutorial featuring our new Cara Co Infinity Wristlets. Today's wristlet tutorial is probably the easiest DIY you'll ever come across. No mess, no loose bead supplies, and it couldn't be simpler. Let's dig into it. Our Cara Co Infinity Wristlets can be purchased in beautifully designed kits with all the supplies included, or you can purchase your choice of Infinity Wristlets from our website to make your own. To make your wristlet, you'll need one Cara Co Silicone Infinity Wristlet in the color and design of your choice, one O-ring spring clip, one small key ring, one accessory, a tassel or a charm, and assembling your wristlet couldn't be easier. Take your O-ring spring clip and attach it to your Infinity Wristlet. Take your key ring and attach it onto your O-ring spring clip. Take your charm or your tassel and attach it onto your key ring. Please note that you may need a pair of pliers to help you close up the jump ring on your charm or your tassel. If you're looking to design your own Infinity Wristlet, head to the website to see all of the colors and the style options we offer. The possibilities are endless. Happy crafting!